This is
This was my key.
the bigger
It's a bigger machine. It's still a 3D printed.
It's still a 3D printed piece, but it's a bigger
What I
piece.
do is I take this.
So this one goes about 60, 70 grand.
I throw it
This one goes about.
lay it down.
About $4 grand.
There's difference.
What's the biggest?
10 hours to print this.
See this?
Is it really?
All right. See those lines?
Yeah.
See how you don't see them on this?
Yeah.
That's the difference.
That's the difference. So it's not so much about the footprint that it can print, the size.
It is about footprint.
Okay.
So the bigger the machine, the bigger the footprint. So you can go up in size on higher quality, and then you also have what?
That's insane.
Right. So you have printers that print in color. You have printers that print in just plastic. This is
Yeah.
just plastic. And then you have printers that print really high-end parts.
Yep.
So there's like kind of three different.
This is amazing.